Let's start with question number 1 of exercise 13.1, which says that a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of sheet required for making the box and the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. So since it is given that plastic box is 1.5 meter long, so we'll write length of the box small l 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter and height 65 centimeter. And since we read in our earlier classes that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so we'll convert 65 centimeter into meter, which will be 0.65 meters. Now since the plastic box is opened at the top, so that means a cuboid is opened at the top, so surface area will contain 5 faces and LSA of cuboid contains 4 walls, so surface area here is LSA of cuboid plus area of bottom, and bottom contains length into breadth, and we know the LSA of cuboid is 2 height or 2 BH plus HL, and area of bottom contains length multiply breadth as rectangle. Now we'll substitute the values in the formula, which are as follows, and then we'll further solve the simple multiplication and addition. On further solving, we'll get 2 multiply 1.7875 plus 1.875, which is the simple product of 1.5 and 1.25. Now we'll further solve. We'll get 3.575 plus 1.875. On adding these, we'll get 5.45 meters square, which is the required surface area of the plastic box. Hence surface area is 5.45 meters square. Now second part says that the cost of sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20, मीन्स अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कोस्ट 20 रुपये है, तो जो गिवन रिक्वायरमेंट्स है क्वेश्चन की, उसके अकॉर्डिंग शीट की कोस्ट कितनी होगी. विल सिंपली व्हाट विल डू, वी हैव फाइंड द एरिया इन आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड वी हैव कोस्ट फॉर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो for that we will multiply the cost for 1 meter square with the surface area of the box, which we have calculated in our first part. We'll write since cost of 1 meter square sheet is rupees 20, therefore cost of 5.45 meter square, which we have find in our first chapter, will be the product. We'll multiply rupees 5.45 with the 1 meter square cost, that is rupees 20. Most of you will be wondering why we have multiplied. Simply, if there is one pen which costs rupees 5 and you have to buy 5 pens, so cost of 5 pens will be 5 multiplied by 25. That is hence cost of sheet for required area is rupees 109.